In today's video, I'm going to take you through how to install VLC media player on your Windows computer. This will be so easy and fast. So if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, and if you find the video helpful, just leave a like. So we'll come to Google and search for VLC, and right now you can see here we have some options: VLC for Windows, VLC for macOS. But just in case you don't see these options down here, you can just open this first link, which takes you to videoland.org/VLC. Now you have to download the VLC installer. So click on this down arrow next to the download VLC button. Then we'll choose the system that we are going to download for. So in my case, I'm using Windows, which is Windows 64-bit. And if your computer is one of the latest ones, will also be on Windows 64-bit. If you are unsure, just click Windows and this website will determine it for you and download the appropriate installer. So I'm going to click on Windows 64-bit. Then the download should start in a few seconds. So you see, download will start in a few seconds. If not, click here. So right now my download has started, and as you can see in my top right here, it says unverified download blocked. This is because I have some security settings set up in my Chrome. If this comes up, you just click on it and then click on download unverified file. The download will now start, and in a few seconds it will be fully downloaded. Once the VLC file is downloaded, now double click on it, wait a few seconds, and you will see the installer asking for admin permission. Click yes. I know you may not see it right now on the screen, but just click yes on the pop-up. Now choose the language that you want to use. The default will be English. Okay, then go through the installer steps. Click next. Agree to the license. Click next. Now choose the things that you want installed on your computer, depending on what you need here. If you need a start menu shortcut, a desktop shortcut, just leave these ones on. Then click next. Then click install. It requires only 182 MBs of disk space. If you don't want to install it in the default installation folder, you can go ahead and change it from here. Click install and wait a few seconds for this to finish. So the installation is now complete. So go ahead, click finish, then run VLC. And now welcome to VLC media player. Right now you can see it's open, and you can now use it to play your favorite movies, videos, audio, and so on.